Okay, so the weather has gotten really bad. The wind has picked up quite a bit, and instead of, I am here in between these two lines, instead of coming from the northeast and then shifting to the east like my weather forecast said, it's coming from the south, which means it can build over this entire distance and pinned me against this, so I had to crawl along the shore, literally a couple of feet from shore and facing into the waves. So I had to go sideways because this boat just can't take the waves. So but now I'm here, and I'm hoping I can go through here and get to this little creek right here and go through this way to Huston Bay. I don't know what I'm gonna do when I get there. Maybe I'll do this, come up to here and then go around like that. Yeah, that's probably the play. But I have gone ahead and gotten everything ready in case I get, I mean, it's very remote that I would get separated from the boat, but I've got the emergency kit here and got everything ready, I think. I've got the, let's see here. Yeah, I think I'm all set. Yep. All right, here goes.